Hello and good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hapa kunaitwa Kamawa TV. My good name is Alex Kamau Waithera. Now, have you ever thought of destiny? Have you ever asked yourself, what is destiny? In order to have a destiny or to reach to your destiny, I refer it as a pregnant woman. When a woman is pregnant, in her mind, she knows that in 9 months' time, I'll be having a baby. So she prepares herself, she buys clothes for her child and prepares herself mentally, physically, even mentally. So when you are destined to reach to a certain level of life, I think you put it in mind that I want to be this in life. I want to achieve this in life. And in the process, there is nothing seems to change. You see, you do things normally and life goes on. But when the right time comes, when the woman who has carried a pregnancy for the last 9 months, wakati 9 months inaisha, the pain emerges. The pain of giving birth to a baby is such painful that she even regrets why she got pregnant. But after she delivers, the joy that emerges, ile furaha inakuja na ule mtoto ni kitu kingine. What am I trying to say? Ndio hiyo destiny yako ifulfill ama ufike kwa destiny yako. When the right time comes, wakati uta feel the pain, yes, wakati uta feel the pain, you even feel like giving up on those dreams, those goals. Know that hapo ndipo destiny yako iko. Na furaha inakujanga sasa wakati sasa umedeliver. You have given the birth. You can see now this is what I've been carrying for the last 9 months. Now, I can confirm cause I had something that I had dreamed for. Yani nilikuwa na mpango ya kitu nimeipangia for so long. It took much longer time than I expected. But let me tell you my friend, wakati sasa ndio Mungu amesema ndio wakati huu, sasa ndio hivi sasa, the pain that emerged, I even thought, was this the right decision? Was this the right goal? Was this the real dream? Or these are the hallucination? Because the pain is so painful. But after all, after giving birth, manze, you celebrate the fruit. You celebrate the God's doing work. So never give up. Wakati unasikia sasa umefinywa, wakati unasikia sasa uchungu imezidi, jua destiny yako iko karibu. Na uko karibu kudeliver ama uko karibu kujifungua, huyo mtoto umekuwa ukimbeba. Be blessed, don't forget to subscribe.